Ever struggle to get your app noticed in a crowded market? Well, I've got you covered. I'm the Techpreneur, and in this video, I'll reveal the top 5 websites where you can publish your products for free. Let's get started. Uneed is a free online directory where you can directly publish your app or SaaS product. You can publish it even if it's in alpha or beta mode. It has a lot of users and subscribers. It is pretty big. You can publish any type of product that you want or SaaS that you want. Upload your product and then people just upvote on it. It is fairly popular in niche communities that I follow online. Yeah, you just need to create an account and you can just do it through Google. And once you've created an account, it's easy to sign up. That is uneed in a nutshell. It's very easy to use and it's a great starting point if you're new to this whole thing. Fazier, it's a bit like uneed. It's also like an app platform for your products. You can launch products for free, like basically, and it also has an upvote system. It does have a lot of users that use it as well. It's more well known, like from my own research and from what I know, it's more well known in the indie hacker community, but it does have a bit of a cult following, which is great. It also has like a lot of resources, like a launch guide for your app if you're ever launching a new product or a SaaS or whatever. It also has like some tutorials. Yeah, there's a newsletter here as well, but they call it growth hacks for some reason. And that in a nutshell is how it works. You've got the top products here. There isn't much more to it than that. It's another one of those great platforms that you can use to really get like put on the map very quickly. Basically aimed at micro SaaS, or like if it's built by like just a single person who wants to get something out there, it's the perfect platform because it's quite niche, but it's also quite well known as well. And again, you can publish your stuff for free. You can also like have a pro launch where it's like if you want to get more attention to it. Yeah, and it's got like a community. I think it's kind of like a forum or a gamified system, you could say. You can look for products. It's like if you have like a mini product or a product that just does one single thing, you definitely can go for it. Like the other platform, it doesn't really matter what your product does as long as it's in a beta mode or in an alpha mode. You can use this platform. Again, it has a gamified system, so if we click on one thing, yeah, you can upvote. I think, yeah, you need to log in, unfortunately. But that's pretty much how it works. It does have a newsletter. Yeah, there's a newsletter there. And that, in a nutshell, is micro launch. So it's another one of those really great ones. Reddit is also actually another really great place to launch your product and get feedback. There are many subreddits that are actually really good at this, and some of them like have thousands of members. The most popular one is probably our startups, but there's also product launch. This one doesn't really have a lot of members. There's also micro SaaS. The communities are usually friendly. You really want to interact with these guys and gain their trust. Don't push your product directly and say, hey, can you give me feedback? What you do is give feedback first to a few of these people and then post. This way you establish trust. But yeah, even then, it still is like a great place to meet people and learn stuff and network. So that's Reddit in a nutshell. And yeah, unlike the other platforms, it's not a traditional one, but it's also a really great one that a lot of people don't actually know about. The reason why I like Product Hunt is the industry leader in all of this. The great thing about Product Hunt is it is easy and it's free to launch your product directly here. Like the other system, it uses an upvote system. So the more people upvote your product, the more visible it is. That's how it works in a nutshell. And if we click on something, again, like you can comment on it, you can view discussions on each product that you launch. You can also add videos, but I'm not gonna. Product Hunt has like a great category system here. As you can see, it's got a community. I'm not sure if Product Hunt has jobs, but that's not really important. But again, like the other ones, if your product is functional and if it's close to being functional, it's great to launch it. You can even do product pre-launches. These are the top 5 websites. I really recommend anyone who wants to launch their products get on. They're free to use. They're pretty easy to use also. They have great communities. Here's why I want to ask you, what websites do you use to launch your products? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to find out. Thanks so much, and if you like what you've seen here below, please comment, like, and subscribe.